things are coming alive slowly. Well, yeah, you wanted some updates from what's happening in the Nürburgring. Construction works everywhere, even in the info center. Good morning, comrades. Welcome back to... Ooh, look at that. We have sunshine, Adrian.
Finally.
That's unbelievable. Let's go there because we have something to show you. Namely this, what we just picked up at the Nürburgring. We got the sun, and you just have to believe us on this, because as we were walking from that position where the start of the video was to there, and we were blocked out by the info center, there was Aston Martin Valkyrie driving past, because I know they're doing right now lots of customer deliveries, etc. But yeah, in any case, good morning, comrades. As mentioned, welcome back to the channel and to the sunny Nürburgring, but also a very cold one because it's like 1 degree or something. Just been there, and I picked up this nice box. So maybe Adrian, you can do the honors of helping me out with unboxing. So we have, it's actually my yearly ticket, but as of this year you get lots of extra advantages from yearly tickets. So first of all, you get this amazing sticker that we can put on the car. I just need a car. Well, to be honest, actually I have something coming up hopefully in a couple of weeks. It's already waiting at the dealer actually, but the weather has been so bad, so I don't want to get it all sorted on. We have this. Is this the card? Yeah, it's the card. So as of this year, you can actually have your own custom design for your yearly ticket, unlimited ticket to lap the Nürburgring. So guess what I went for? Adrian actually already knows, but
I think it's a caddy.
Yeah.
Film caddy? No?
No, to be honest, at the beginning...
You promised me.
Yeah, well, you need to get your own yearly ticket. To be honest, I wanted first to use the picture of me driving the 993 RWB because it's one of my favorite pictures, and you know, it's actually like TF spirit kind of thing. But then I realized, no, I was hoping actually that this might be a Valkyrie again, but no, just some truck with the tires, man. Anyway, regarding the design of the yearly ticket, I kept it actually pretty simple, and it is, no, it's not a caddy, it's not RWB, it is actually Maggie, Pancake, and Mimi. Mimi is her dog, and you've seen her already also in the vlogs a couple of times, because I thought, you know, I'm doing hundreds of laps in TF, and every time I swipe this car against the scanner, I need to like remind myself that there are 3 lovely girls waiting for me at home, and that's might be cheesy, but it is like I think it's a very cool design. On top, you also get a couple of other benefits. I'm just gonna unlock it out, because you get we went already through it last year with explaining the benefits, like the backstage tour, the track walk, the discount voucher, 10% discount on lots of things. And what's this? Ooh, actually, this is a 20 euro discount code for the fan shop over there. Maybe you can go buy a t-shirt. Speaking of the t-shirt, look what we have. Actually, maybe you already seen it in another video, but we have the second design that we made. Look at that. Hope you can see it. Can you see it, Adrian? You can make us some fancy bureaus of this.
Okay. Speed ramp, yeah.
Yay! So it's 996 GT3, my favorite car of last year, pretty much, that I drove, and going towards the bridge, the Börstein Bridge. Börstein was kindly enough to actually allow us to use their trademark, well, without quotation marks, because it's now available on our shop. So use the discount code Misha10 for 10% off, and enjoy that. Some Nürburgring parking garage spotting, and then the ultimate wagon. We decided to go to the industry park at the Nürburgring to see if we might accidentally run into a Valkyrie, but I also don't want to be these kinds of car spotters who are gonna wait in front of the Aston Martin test center and just like be waiting for it forever and cold. So if it's not here, it's not here. Aston Martin. No. Atlante, sunny, beautiful, lots of Skittles are out. Ooh, that's I think Simon's car, the red one. And the Börstein Technical Center is coming along nicely. I think the exterior, also the interior mostly is finished. So now just like doing the parking lots and stuff. I'm really looking forward to check it out from up close. Ooh, nice, looking very cool. I wonder if they're gonna have some cafeteria. Yeah, but we will find out soon enough. Anything at Black Falcon? Same old, same old. Here on the left we have Capricorn. You've probably seen this building already in the past or no, but next to it is a massive construction zone. Look at that. They're actually building, that's the new facility where they're gonna produce new De Tomasos, Apollos, and probably a lot more as well. Obviously you're not just gonna make such a massive construction work just for like 2 brands. But I heard there are lots of rumors like going on that they want to produce Formula 1 parts, or already doing, or LMDH parts, chassis. Who knows? We'll see. We'll find out. Ooh, and that's actually the new HRT Business Center. They have their own driveway leading up to there, and it will be also interesting to see what they have. They're basically building like lots of complex and units to rent out to other teams. So we'll see if we can check it out later at some point. Here actually we have a billboard explaining what it is. There are actually 6 modules for rent. Maybe something that we would need for our media activities. For all the cameras that we have.
Oh yes.
It looks actually very, very cool, like from here. It's the first time I actually really see it after the winter. Looks nice. ED gas station. Haven't been there in a while a few weeks, maybe less. But it would be nice to see the full activity once the season kicks off, and all the prototypes will be going there for lunch. It's always nice random car spots. Rolling back into Nürburgring. BMW M Test Center, also empty. At least we can see the castle. This means the track is open today. It's not. It's just a running joke that we always say when the track is actually supposed to be open, but you cannot see the castle due to the fog or clouds. This means the visibility is that poorly that they do not open the track. Why? Well, because if something bad happens, the emergency helicopter cannot land because they cannot see anything and cannot save you if you are the one who is in trouble. So always think it from the you perspective. Maybe a quick look at what's happening at Apex, and then it's kind of the end of the video, I guess, already pretty much. Back at Apex, and it's super cold. As mentioned, it's 0 degrees, but at least the snow for majority is gone. Oh no, look at that, we have a last bit of snow there in the shadow hiding. Speaking of snow, we did something very cool that we have filmed, actually going downhill from Stahlstrecke and also other parts of the track. There was not enough footage to make like a full independent video, so here is what happened. Legs up. Well, that didn't go well.
Oh, my face!
Okay, maybe quickly look. Ooh, the preheat is on. It's on the A6. That's nice. That's nice. Can look at what's happening in Apex. We, by the way, bought a new P1 Spider. Take the ND filter off, because then people can see you. Your pre-face. Oh, you went to the barber.
Yeah, don't.
Why?
He fucked up.
Really? Why?
Yeah, he fucked up.
Why?
I'm going to point it out because it's so bait. It's like he just got garden scissors and just was like down the side. It's like, yeah, good fade, bro. So it's pissed me off today.
Yeah, you can put BBS rim on over your head, and then you'll be like, you know.
This is the most expensive hat ever. Oh no, it's correct.
What's up with the M2? When are we building it? Friday?
Well,
few days.
As Sod's laws have it, the nuts that I need to use.
These nuts?
These nuts are wrong. So I can't put the cage in yet, which is hell. So I'm waiting for them to come through, and also seat runners.
Okay, well, stay tuned for some content on building the M2. Look at that. Speaking of which, when's that coming back?
Well, where is it?
Blackfish.
It's a Blackfish, yeah.
This is, by the way, multi-racing suspension of the GD2 RS MR.
Broken suspension.
Broken suspension. So we're doing giveaway then?
Yes, but I don't know what parts.
Okay, cool. Stay tuned to find out. Subscribe, like and share. Give George a follow. And an email about, I don't know, something.
No, don't email.
Unless you want to buy a actually, someone is trying to buy now the GR Yaris, I believe.
It's sold.
It's already sold?
Yeah, it's sold.
That was quick. Where's the preheat on the Audi?
We're going to get lunch and it splits.
Nice.
It's like fucking -4.
Yeah, I know. But it's cool that it has the preheat, say.
Yeah, it costs me a lot of money in diesel while I've been using it though.
Who cares?
Get in the car, automatically do a 70km range. It's like, yes.
It's the same what I have with Polestar.
Yeah, legit. Oh, it's warm though.
Yeah, good. Well, enjoy your lunch. Speaking of lunch, I guess it's the end of the day. This means we should do a food shot traditionally wise, like with all the vlogs. So I had spare ribs because yesterday I went to visit my mum in the Netherlands to pick up my new phone and also pick up spare ribs because that was my favorite dish from there back in the days. So here's food shot. The best. I know. Don't worry, by the way, Mimi turned 9 last week, so we gave her a steak, so she's not shortcoming of anything. Also, speaking of going to Holland, we picked up new winter tires for Maggie for her E46. Yep. So, because we still gonna have probably another 4 months of winter when it comes to temperatures, and maybe we're gonna have snow in July here. Who cares? Who knows? Also, who cares? No, not who cares. We need to drive. Anyway, start talking nonsense. This means it's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the upcoming videos tomorrow, and hopefully soon on the track. And slightly more than a month's time, we will be driving. Yay! Woo! Bye.